हॅलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू मोरेसर अकॅडमी. मोरेसर अकॅडमीमध्ये मी शुभांगी बागुल आपले स्वागत करते. मित्रांनो, मोरेसर अकॅडमी बाय दीपक मोरेसर या यूट्यूब चॅनलच्या माध्यमातून आपण इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप, चिट चॅट, वॉर्मिंग अप आणि मार्जिंग क्वेश्चन देखील अभ्यासणार आहोत. त्यासाठी मित्रांनो, तुम्ही चॅनलवर नवीन असाल तर चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करून बाजूची बेल आयकॉन दाबून ऑल नोटिफिकेशन सिलेक्ट करा. आपण अभ्यासणार आहोत 1.1 अ टीनेजर प्रेयर्स, वॉर्मिंग अप, चिट चॅट, मार्जिंग क्वेश्चन्स. सुरुवात करूया आपल्या फर्स्ट क्वेश्चनला. क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट. फ्रॉम ग्रुप्स ऑफ 5 to 6 and discuss. Give a rating of 1 to 5 to each of the followings. Sub question. When you have to take important discussion, what do you generally do? A. Consult parents and elders. B. Contact friends for advice. C. Think deeply in silence. D. Pray to God for guidance. E. Ask your teacher for help. And last, toss a coin to decide. रेटिंग करूया आपल्या आन्सरला. A 2, B 4, C 5, D 1, E 3 and last 6. Next question number 2. In poetry, very often there are lines in which the poet seems to talk directly to an absent person. An abstract idea or things object such a static device used by the poet is figure of speech apostrophe. For example, twinkle twinkle little star. Second, date. Where is day things? Oh caveman, I wish I could live with you. Now, complete the following creative example of apostrophe of your own. A. Oh life, how strange are your ways. B. Dear God, please help me climb in my difficult time. C. Books, you are my dear friends. Exam, I wish you were never there, never. E. Oh beautiful sky, send all your beauty to earth. Next, margin questions. First, what is age group of the speaker in the poem? Answer. The age group of the speaker in the poem is teenage, 13 to 90. Second, what decision does the speaker have to take? Answer. The speaker has to make the decision about choosing the right path of life lying before him. Third, what does each new day fetch? Answer. Each new day fetch new beginnings. Fourth, how should one react to temptation? Answer. The person should straightly say no to any temptation that comes in his way. Fifth, what epoch does the speaker wish to see in himself at the end of his teens? Answer. At the end of his teens, the poet wished to see his life live at the its best. Sixth, in should condition does the poet wish to maintain his body? Answer. The poet wish to maintain his body by keeping it clean and healthy. And last, whose company does the poet wish for in the walk of life? Answer. The poet wish the company of God in the walk of life. I hope student तुम्हाला हा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल. व्हिडिओ आवडले असल्यास जास्तीत जास्त विद्यार्थ्यांपर्यंत शेअर करा आणि मोरेसर अकॅडमी या आमच्या यूट्यूब चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. थँक्यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस व्हिडिओ.